Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a very critical visit to Moscow in Russia to meet President Vladimir Putin. This is his first bilateral meeting since he assumed charge as the Prime Minister of India for the third time. But while politics goes on, there are also people-to-people ties here. In fact, I'm joined by two students from India who are studying medicine here, Rushti and Gayatri. Thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. Tell us, how many years have you been in Russia, and what do you like about this city, and what do you study here?
It's been 3 years since I am here, and I am from Penza and I studied medicine there. And the best thing about Russia is we feel secure, and most of us, our parents, are worried due to some war and other reasons. But we, being Indians here, feel safe as every point there's security. Even in the smallest city like Penza, we are secured. Here also we are secured, and so.
Gayatri, did you know that the Prime Minister was coming? In fact, you guys knew about it, right? So have you been following what's happening in India?
Yes, when we came here and we talked to our parents, and she also talked to her father on phone, then उन सब ने ऐसा बोलने लगा कि अरे यार तुम लोगों को पता है हमने मतलब वीडियो भेजा, देखो हमारे मोदी साहब वहीं पे है. तो पेरेंट्स सब बोलने लगे कि बोला कि मोदी सर हम यहीं पे हैं, वी हर्ड टू अप्रिशिएट यू एंड we all are very happy that you came here.
Right.
And
We consider ourselves lucky that we are here, and we are here to cheer him up and hip hip hooray to Russia and to India, both of the great countries.
Okay, my last question. रशिया इंडिया के बीच में बहुत सारे टाइज बहुत पहले से थे, लेकिन अभी ये वॉर चल रहा है यूक्रेन में. आप ही की तरह बहुत सारे मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स को वापस आना पड़ा. बट हाउ इज योर हैज देयर बीन एनी इम्पैक्ट एट ऑल ऑन योर लाइव्स, ऑन योर एजुकेशन?
Economically, there have been some impacts as our foreign exchange cards have not been working since long, so there are challenges about that. But keeping those things aside, we have no as such challenges. We are safe, and we are secured, and there's everywhere security, so our routine university life is continued. So
Has the cost of living gone up here?
Cost of living in Russia, see, Russia is not as a very stable economy as India is. So we have challenges throughout the year, and not only during war, but yes, there have been some ups and downs, and yes, financially the costs are difficult. So, and Indians do generally find the food in Russia a bit costly, as vegetables are a bit unavailable here most of the times, and they import from our countries. So yes, it's been. And I myself, being vegetarian, I find it a bit difficult, not eating meat and all, but it's good.
Okay, how many years for you to go? Like 2 more years, is it?
Not 2 more years, 3 more years, as in Russia we have 6 years medicine course, and in India we have 5.5 years.
Okay.
So it's 5 to 6 months more, but yeah.
Any specific request to the government of India from the student side in Russia?
No specific request, just help us, support us, and we are secure, and Russia and India are always together, so be it, and let's maintain this.
Okay. Thank you so much for speaking to NDTV.